lovely. So I saw this DIY that has been trending of lip balm. It's a natural one, and I tried it, and this is how it came out. I really love it. There is no additive, no chemicals. Yeah, so let me show you how I did it from one step to the last. Yeah. Here I'm just having my beetroot. If you want more, you can have 2 or 3 of them, but I felt that this one is enough for me. So I'll just go ahead and wash the beetroot and peel the outer part. Yes, after this I'm just going to grate it using my grater, or you can crush it in the blender machine. I felt that it was so little, only one, and there was no need of blending it. Then this is what I had after the grating. So I'm just going in with the warm water. I'm going to mix it together, to mix the water with the beetroots together, the grated beetroot. Make sure you mix everything properly so that it does not go to waste. I'm now going to take my clean pan and a sieve. If you have a sieving cloth, or you can use this. I'm just going to sieve everything in the pan. Make sure you use the small sieve, not the one with big holes, because we don't want to put in the beetroots. We only need the water, the color, and everything. The mixture in the cooker to heat. It's going to heat for some time, and then I'm just going to add the Vaseline. Yeah, this one will help to make when it cools down, it's going to be like a cream or jelly. It will cool and go back to be solid with the color, the red color inside. You're just about to see what it's going to turn to. So just keep tuned and let's follow the process together. So here it's just still heating, and already I can see the redness is very thick now, and it's forming well. So it has already heated, and I think this is enough, and I feel that like I put a lot of Vaseline, but it's okay. I'll just remove some because it's just going to be on the top, just like this. You can see it. So I removed some and returned them there. You're going to see what is going to remain here after it has cooled down. So guys, here is our lip balm, the natural beetroot lip balm, a very nice one. Let me show you. Yeah, now it has cooled down, and this is what it looks like now. Very ready to be used, and I really love it because it's natural, and I'm so proud that I did it by myself and for myself. I'm really happy about this. I didn't know it would turn out so well. You see how it looks like. Yeah, it turned out so well. So guys, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I'm really thankful for those who have subscribed so far. Now I'm just keeping it in the fridge. Thank you and bye bye.